It's been a crazy time for Alphabet, aka Google. We can see today the stock price was down roughly 4.4%. And in the past 5 days from its 5-day peak, the stock is down over 11%. On today's episode, what I want to do is take a closer look at 4 reasons why I would remain bullish in this tech giant. So let's get started.
I do want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out fool.com/Jose to get the top 10 stocks to buy right now.
Reason number 1, I think, is going to be the most obvious of all, and it's just the overall company's financial health, right? We can see in quarterly, the company reported cash and short-term investments of roughly $113 billion. Cash from operations was $91 billion in the trailing 12 months, and they only have total long-term debt of roughly $13 billion. So no matter what happens, the company at the moment has enough kind of cash flow to kind of be able to withstand any kind of uncertainty in the market, any uncertainty in technology, and if they need to invest in more technology, they definitely have the arsenal ready to do that, and they can go pretty hard if needed. So that's obviously reason number 1, and I think that's very, very important, especially with the type of environment that we're in right now in the financial world. Now the second one, and I want to say this is from here on, is more just the overall technology that Alphabet has, and that is going to be YouTube. YouTube is my second reason. I do believe that some of you might be looking at YouTube and saying, hey, YouTube is kind of slowing down. The kind of era of streaming is sort of ending, where YouTube ads in the fourth quarter of 2021 was actually larger than quarter 4 of 2022. So in this most recent quarter, YouTube ads actually saw a slowdown. I do believe the main reason from here is because of YouTube Shorts. We've heard from Meta Platforms, as Meta Platforms continues to kind of push into Reels and short-term content, they are kind of creating some form of headwinds for themselves in the advertisement side. YouTube, I do believe, is trying to do the same. They're trying to battle the likes of TikTok and obviously Meta Platforms Reels. And by doing that, they are releasing YouTube Shorts, which they might be losing some form of headwinds in the short term. But as they continue to grow that user base, I do believe in the future, there's plenty and plenty of tailwinds for YouTube ads. I mean, we can see here from this article, Google says that YouTube Shorts has crossed 50 billion daily views. That is insane. YouTube has also kind of began to start monetizing this, and I do believe that monetization process is going to continue in the upcoming quarters. So again, YouTube ads might have seen a slowdown right now, but I do believe there's plenty and plenty of tailwinds in this space. The other thing is YouTube itself is the second largest search engine. The first largest is Google in general. The second largest search engine is YouTube. YouTube is also the second largest social platform. So it's hitting various markets, and I do believe the strength of YouTube, the streaming market, the video market, content creation, and any kind of entertainment at the moment is going to bode well. So that is the second reason. Now, if we take a closer look at reason number 3, this is Google Cloud. If you are enjoying the episode so far, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It does help with the overall audience growth in this channel, and I would definitely appreciate it. If you're looking for a nice stock picking service, make sure to check out my link at fool.com/Jose for a special offer on the Fool services. Definitely check that out as well, and it helps the channel out. Finally, if you are into the semiconductor market, make sure to check out the #1 semiconductor podcast, where myself and another host do weekly episodes of the semiconductor space. So check all that out. So now for reason number 3, this is going to be Google Cloud. And Google Cloud at the moment is one of the largest growing service. We can see in quarter 4 of 2022 it was roughly 7.3 billion versus last year, which was 5.5 billion. So we are continuing to see strong growth here, and I do believe that's gonna continue. We can see in quarter 3 of 2022, Google Cloud is still the third largest cloud infrastructure service market. I do believe there's more opportunity for them to continue to grow. I still believe we're still in the early stages of digitalization of cloud solutions as well. So Google Cloud is the third reason. And now the final and fourth reason is their overall search engine. The Google search engine in general, and their advertisement market. We can see the Google advertisement market in Q4 of 2022 was 59 billion versus 61 billion a year ago. Again, we are seeing the slowdown. There is kind of numerous headwinds affecting the advertisement market. At the same time, I believe there was that self-made headwind with YouTube Shorts that also kind of reduced it. In the long term of things, I don't believe advertisement is going anywhere else. It's not going to shift. Digital advertisement is here to stay, and Google advertisement being the #1 advertisement platform is going to continue to grow. If you guys have been watching my previous videos, I do mention how kind of Google's AI services and how the kind of AI battle that Google and Microsoft are doing might impact how search engines work. If it does, I do believe Google and Microsoft will adapt with the changes. These are two tech giants, and while maybe with the upcoming AI challenges that we're seeing, the amount of impressions or ads that a consumer might get hit with might decrease substantially. But if that does happen, I do believe the supply and demand market will take over, and the overall cost of ads will increase and kind of offsetting any losses here. Again, the other thing is right now we are talking about this AI battle, and this AI battle, I feel like many people might not know about it. The only ones that are really kind of seeing it are those kind of tech enthusiasts people, and also anyone who kind of follows the market. But I want to say, if you kind of go outside and just ask your average Joe, hey, what do you think about this Google fight and this Bing fight that's happening right now, I don't think they have much to say. So I even though there is kind of a shift in technology happening, and there could be a potential change in how the search engine works and how the advertisement engine works as well, I do believe both Google and Microsoft will adapt to the new changes, and the market will also evolve, because advertisement is not going anywhere. Companies are going to want to advertise, and if they're willing to pay a little bit more because maybe conversion rates increase, then I think the market will do so. So these are the 4 reasons I'm bullish in Google at the moment in Alphabet. This is one I hold in my portfolio, and things are looking pretty attractive for long-term investor. Let me know your thoughts on the comments below. Are you kind of bearish still with the stock price right now? Are you bullish? What are you gonna do? Take care, have a good day, and see you next time.